less than $200 and it's 40 inches. So like I said, please be very, Lord Jesus. She is on, look at that. She is on tight. Like, are you seeing this? This is some good promo. She is on tight, honey. She's not going nowhere. Beauty is pain sometimes. Beauty is pain.
Love it when I make you mad, but maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Hello, my on-time beauties, and welcome back to another video by your girl, Letitia Marie. I know you guys looking at my head like, girl, what the hell is you doing over there? I got a few things going on. I know you guys love when I do maintenance videos, and I am actually getting ready to go on a trip to Miami. So this is a maintenance video for the fall season as well as for my Miami trip. So that's, we got a curly wig right here. And this is an affordable, guys, 40-inch wig. Like, look at her. She's giving, what the hell is in the wig? Lord Jesus, so embarrassing. Not to go. Anyways, this wig is definitely giving 40 inches. I definitely measured her. We got 180 density going on, but as you can see, she is super, super full. I have had 200 density like curly wigs, and sometimes they can be really like massive on me, especially because I'm on the shorter side. So y'all, this wig right here, description is going to be in the link down below, so you guys will definitely have that. However, before we jump into like the install of the wig and me doing my lashes and redoing my nails and all that, today's video we do have a sponsor, and it is sponsored by Magic Bras. Thank you so much to Ali. Girl, you are so sweet. She sent me this amazing bra, because I know if you guys are kind of like me, we know we have that one go-to black bra. Not to say we don't have other bras, but we know we have that perfect black bra that you wear all the time and it gets ruined, but you don't want to let it go because you can't find another one. I got a solution for you. First of all, use code NVR20 to get 20% off your purchase, and it gives your girl a little bit of commission. So make sure you go ahead and do that for me, please and thank you. But we got this beautiful bra right here. And guys, she's perfect. Now for the conversion of this bra, please use the website. They'll have a chart on there so you can convert your bra size to make sure you're picking the perfect size. I typically do wear a 36 triple D. They did send me a 40D in this bra size right here. And child, she's good for covering up your back fat. She is good for the support. She is seamless. So underneath like a t-shirt and stuff like that, you will not see anything underneath. And again, she's black. Who doesn't want a go-to perfect black bra? And look at the band, guys. That is such a good band to support your girls underneath. I cannot do too much wiring or push up underneath my bras. And this bra has like the perfect lining in it. And look, child, you guys see it on. It just looks so good on the body. Not even just that, even like the straps to support yourself in the back, guys. Look at all the clips back there. Usually we buy our bras, they have like 3 clasps at the most, and for a lot of the girls that are larger chested, it's not as supportive, and it's not, and that's where you get all those like lines and stuff underneath your clothing. It's not cute. It's not giving. It's not giving very demure. It's doing too much underneath, and you gotta put shapewear and stuff like that. But the perfect thing about this particular bra is she's giving shapewear underneath your clothes, so you don't have to do too much. Less is more, and she is perfect for like a video like this in terms of maintenance, self-care, taking care of yourself, making sure you feel beautiful and you feel confident as your supportive self. I know for even one of my friends, even one of my sisters, she's like a K-cup. So when you do have a larger bust size, it is hard to find such great bras that fit us and look the best on us. So I highly recommend this gorgeous bra from Magic Bras. And again, guys, please use code NVR20 to get 20% off your purchase. She looks super, super good on. Like, just look at the images, guys. Look how she's sitting. Look with the t-shirt, without the t-shirt. Look with the competitors' bras. Look how my girls are looking a mess in there. Look how it looks crazy. And then look at it with the Magic Bra. She's eating, baby. So if you want to make sure that your girls look good, they're supportive. She's also very lightweight, breathable. So you're going on vacation somewhere hot like Miami, like where I'm going, she's not going to be too heavy or too overwhelming when she is on. So once again, thank you so much to Magic Bras for supporting today's video. And my dolls out there, please make sure you are taking care of yourself to the best of your ability. And it starts off with having supportive girlies. We don't want our girls to be sagging and dropping and drooping all over the place. We want to make sure that she's sitting comfortably and beautifully in our Magic Bra. Now let's continue on with our maintenance video. Now we're back talking about this little ball cap I have on. Now the white stuff going on here obviously is from my spray. Please ignore how dirty the can is, okay? I use the Erica J as well as our Bond Spray adhesive right here to melt down my little wig cap we got going on here. And as you all know, I also use the Erica J glue just because I find it's a lot easier for beginners, and I also find it a lot easier when you're not used to putting on your wig yourself anyways. Erica J glue, if you live in Canada, you can get it from Amazon. Sometimes the hair store does carry it, but not always. So you can grab it from Amazon. With shipping, I paid like $32, which is the same price as buying like the Eben glue from the hair store, and that don't even last that long. So Erica J, if you do like 3 layers, guys, your wig is not moving. It is not coming off, okay? So let me grab the glue just so you can see it again. But it's a smaller bottle, but a lot does go a long way. This is the $32 one. Technically it's $26, but I had to pay for express shipping because I ordered it last minute, like last Thursday, and it had to get here before I went on my vacation. So it literally took like 3 days to get here, which is perfect. But I'll show you what bottle I bought from the hair store. This from the hair store, I don't know what brand this is. Chat, I hope you guys can see that. I don't even know what brand this is. I bought this from the hair store because people then told me, oh, it's good like the bungalow and you'll like it. And my wig was off in 3 days. So yes, this is $20, but your wig is off in 3 days. I rather spend the extra $12 on this, and my wig is going to last at least 2 weeks. It just makes more sense to me. And this is talking about some add 7 layers. What's time for that? So no, we don't want this type of glue. We want this type of glue. Okay, so grab you this one. It lasts really, really long. This video is going to be a maintenance, so we are going to review the wig and stuff first. Then we're going to do my lashes, and then actually tomorrow, which is Tuesday, we're going to do my nails and my toes. And then yeah, I can't wait because we're gonna go to Miami. We're gonna have fun. I am gonna vlog the surgery video, guys. And if you're interested in any type of surgery in Miami, my sister will be getting some stuff done down there. So if you're not already subscribed to our channel, this is the perfect time to subscribe. Go ahead and turn your post notifications so you don't miss any videos from me. The Miami trip will be in 2 parts, not 1. And I'm gonna do 2 parts just so you guys stay updated and have the information as ready available as possible. The first half, you're gonna see us obviously taking off, packing what she has with her, the pre-op appointments and stuff like that, and surgery day. The other part will be me taking care of her, making sure she's eating properly, her meds and all that type of stuff, and coming back home. So that way you guys are not overwhelmed with too much information. Again though, if you are interested in any of that, please go right ahead and subscribe. And if you got any hypes, please go ahead and hype this video so other girls can enjoy this too, or go ahead and like. It's a free way to help your girl and support our channel. Let's start putting on our glue. I'm using the LA Girl Color Espresso. Now the Erica J glue does give specific instructions for however how long you want to make it last on you. I know 3 layers she says for like 2 weeks. Do 5 layers if you want like the whole month. So we are going to do a couple layers just to make sure it's on while we're on our trip. And you're just going to start off with even dots like this. And it literally says to keep reapplying after the glue turns clear. So you know the glue is ready to go once it is clear. The back of this. This frontal is going to be a 13 by 14. I'm just going to cut off this extra piece back here when I need that. It also has the adjustable strap inside as well as the comb, so it clips onto your hair perfectly. In terms of cutting the lace, go in a zigzag formation or even like in a swivel formation so it aligns on the head perfectly. As you can see, we are starting to clear up at the top, and that's an indication it's time to put on your second layer. Okay, so we're looking good. As you can see, we got some sticking there, which is good. Yeah, you see that? Perfect. I'm gonna make sure it's extra sticky, because Lord knows this wig needs to stay on the whole vacation. So this is our third and final layer that I'm going to be doing. While we're waiting for that to dry, you can guys start washing your hands, and we're gonna start to clean our eyelashes with our lash shampoo, and that's gonna start our prep for our eyelashes. Now I usually buy this from Amazon, and then the lashes itself I get it from Temu or I get them from Shein. Also get the individual lashes from the hair store, of course, but I like the ones from Temu or like AliExpress or even Shein and Amazon because they come in a pack. I'm gonna show you guys what the pack looks like. You see how it comes in different lengths? I love this because you can get like a cat eye look, or you can make it wispy, however you want it. That's why I love getting packs like this rather than like the regular singular packs, because it's only one length only. With the lash shampoo, it does come with a brush. I just don't know what the hell it is right now, so I'm using my fingers just to clean it through. Try not to get into your eyes so you're not bothering yourself. If your eyes are sensitive, please be careful when you're using the lash shampoo. There are instructions on there for how to use it, and you can go ahead with like a wipes or a Kleenex just to clean off any residue off your eyelashes. Now I have shown a previous lash glue on the channel before, but that one, honestly, I want to try something new and see how well the retention is. This one apparently lasts for 2 weeks. The other one that I did, drop on the ground. The last one that I used, the retention actually was honestly almost 3 weeks, but I wanted to see what this one was like, and this is what it looks like in the little bottle here. And we're gonna go ahead and apply that while we're waiting for this to dry off. We can at least start our lashes in the process. So this is what fell. It's the little cap that goes on top of the glue. It also comes with this right here, this little nozzle to pour it out evenly. And then this is what our glue actually looks like in hand. The only other thing you're gonna need are the tweezers. So this entire lash routine cost me about $26. Guys, it is so cheap to do your lashes on your own, especially if you want to get a baddie on a budget and you don't feel like spending, you know, $200 plus on your lashes. Or if you want to go to a new nail tech, I know there's a girl right now in our city running a promo. It's like $60 for any lash set. But depending on how you are with stuff like that, if you just want to do it on your own, you definitely can. Okay, I lied. We're gonna pause on the lashes for 2 seconds. We're gonna do one thing at a time. Let's just finish up with our wig because I think it's sticky for the most part. Yeah. I personally like to keep the band inside of my wig because I have a smaller head and I just like the extra support. Let's just throw her on.
Don't know when my nights became so complicated. Can't recall my mornings, everything is fading. Maybe this is called my definition of jading.
Laid flat easily. Are you seeing that? Cha. Nothing more needs to be said. Nothing more needs to be said. You see how I just put down the wig, guys? And she just stuck effortlessly? I can't even talk. See how I'm just excited? She just stuck and sat down so effortlessly. Like, perfect. Let's just move this up behind my ear. Like I said, I have a smaller head, so... Actually, let me cut this a little bit. Get some glue. So let's do that really quick. My fingers. After everything is on, I'm just gonna grab one of my wig bands, but it's the one that you actually tie yourself, so it's a lot tighter. And I'm just gonna tie down my wig like so. So now that we are tied down and we're melting down our little edges here, I'm just gonna go ahead and start the lashes now finally. Try to get like a separate container that's clear, just put some glue in there, and I use my tweezers to stick them on individually. So I just put the smallest amount of glue on the lash strip, as you can see, and I have my regular tweezers. After that, you just go ahead and stick them on your lashes like so. Look at that. See how it sticks on perfectly? Now the reason why I also like the ones that are a lash strip instead of like the individual ones like a lash check would do on you is because it's easy for you to see what you're doing and stick them on nicely. Make sure the glue that you do buy says DIY lash glue and not the regular one, because if it is, it might burn your eyes. I just irritated the crap out of my eyes right now, guys. Just please be careful again when you're using the glue. No, it did not get into my eye, but I did get it fairly close to my actual like lash bed, so you just have to be very careful. I just grabbed my little fan here. You can grab this off of Temu and just go ahead and fan your eyes, but they're coming out so cute so far.
No more broken hearts, no more broken.
Full transparency, guys, the lashes came out super cute, as you can see, but I think the glue that I used is like actual lash tech glue. No, it's not in my eyes like I mentioned before, but Lord Jesus, just make sure if your eyes are really sensitive, or if you can't stand like this thing when your eyes open after first doing your lashes, I do not recommend this glue for you. Otherwise, if you're pretty much okay for the most part, then go ahead and do it yourself. Again, I am not a professional. I just do this maintenance myself, as you guys know, on the channel, because it's affordable, and if you can do it yourself, why not? But as I said, guys, whew, you gotta thug it out like a real one. Beauty is pain sometimes. Beauty is pain. But yo, once you fan out your eyes a little bit, you should be okay. Like I said, they came out super cute. I think they're perfect for vacation. I am not a professional. I can only recommend what I know and what works for me. Would I use this lash glue again? Probably not, because I don't like how it's bothering my eyes. But is it probably going to keep everything on and intact for my whole trip? Absolutely. So it's one of those, do it at your own risk. The other glue that I use does not bug my eyes like this at all, but then again, it does say DIY lash glue. When I did order these, I swear it said DIY lash glue, so I'm not really sure why my eyes are being bothered so much by it. It could be because I also haven't done my lashes in months, so that could also be why. So I would say order the glue at your own discretion. I will leave a full review later on as we go on to see how the lashes are holding up. But yeah, I guess our lashes are done now. They came out, like I said, really cute, and let's continue finishing off with our hair. So we're just pulling her off, and she is laid, honey. Now I know I definitely want a side part.
No more broken, no more broken hearts. Yeah. Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl.
Like, I don't like that white cast that we got going on there, so a little bit. I'm gonna rub it through our 40 inches, and God, She is giving. Oh, I love this wig so much. Now, there is a little bit of shedding that we got going on here, just so you guys can see. But guys, I spent less than $200 on this wig. I actually spent 172 Canadian dollars. So that's about 150 USD. So imagine getting a beautiful full unit for less than $200 and it's 40 inches. And she's actually giving 40 inches and she's full. We're not balding. She parted perfectly. You saw me put a hot comb in there, flat iron the baby hairs, and look, she looks so good. The next thing we're gonna move on to is gonna be our nails, because your girl needs a little bit of refill. And I gotta do my toes. Regardless of going to Miami or not, guys, you know, you gotta make sure you keep your toes looking good, because anyone can see your feet. Let's say there's an event or something coming up, you got an open toe shoe on. It doesn't matter if it's fall or winter season, make sure your toes stay done. But I love how our wig came out. She is on gorgeously, and I'm gonna make sure I leave the link down below for you guys so you can grab her too. But yeah, she's slaying, she's giving. She is on, look at that, she is on tight. Like, are you seeing this? This is some good promo. She is on tight, honey. She's not going nowhere. So if you're gonna go swimming or do anything like that, your wig is not moving.
Floodgates from heaven, I know, telling you what's coming. It's like preaching to the reverend, but somebody had to tell you. Sit back and let it settle. God pulling strings like your pedal. Don't put your faith in no fellow. They poking at you with their nose when they tell you it ain't in your cause, but God aligning the stars. You deserve a lot like a line of cars. Everything you want already yours. Yeah. If you believe it, that's the hardest part of receiving. It's your season, only if you lean it. Shawty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still.
No boyfriend, not no more. He's
Gotta
gone.
give it to you when it fits.
So I gotta show you guys the nails up close. Kim did her big one with these nails. They look so good. I love them. I got so many compliments on the nails already. And I also did my toes as well. And they actually match. I'm gonna put a little picture up here so you can see it. My nails and my toes together were 180. And I do use shellac. And I also did, what else did I do? She did biogel or something like that. That's still very cheap in comparison to a lot of other places. I remember I used to spend about $180 on my nails alone. So to do my nails and my toes and get a pedicure and everything for 180, that was actually not a bad price at all. Especially because I be seeing some girls with their nails like this and it's like $200. Yeah, I don't think so. Not around here, baby. Shout out to Kim. My nails usually cost between 120 to 130, even with a refill. I never spend more. I typically don't spend less, also because of the length, and I need all my little like gems and stuff on there. They look so good. It's giving very much Jamaica. Shout out to my country back home. Now, by the time you are seeing this, I'm already in Miami. So the hair is Saturday. I did this on the Monday. The hair, shout out to Erica J glue. It is holding up well still. The lash glue is not good, guys. As you can see, I'm missing a little bit like right in here. So I really would not recommend that glue, especially for all the torture you have to go through to stick them on anyways. But it's fine. I brought the other glue that I mentioned. I'll put a picture in the side right here. And I'm just going to reapply them just in the center. So retention, 5 days. Would not recommend that glue. The other glue I usually use will last at least 2 weeks. And the hair, she's giving 40 inches, and we love that for us. There is a bit of shedding, so keep in mind that the hair will shed just a bit. It is true to length. It is 40 inches, and she's full. I do like the wig. The wig was a good purchase. Eyelash glue, not so much. And once again, shout out to today's sponsor, which is Magic Bras. Remember to use code NVR20 to get 20% off your purchase. And look how they're sitting. They're sitting perfect, pretty, and cutesy, covering up all the back fat back there. So this is a very supportive bra. I'm not really sure what the conversion was. I usually wear a 36 triple D, but this is a 40D. The girls were sitting great in here. I must say I like the band to be a little bit snug personally, so I would want it at least in a 38 if I had to go down a size. But otherwise, she sits great and fits perfectly. And even in a little comparison video, yeah, Magic Bra, she's giving the magic touch. So if you want a nice, comfortable, supportive bra to feel like her both inside and out, make sure you grab you one. I'm gonna make sure I leave the exact link to this particular one in the description at your convenience. It also comes in a nude color as well. So if you want something a little bit more universal to wear underneath your clothing, nude works as well. But yes, guys, as I mentioned before, we are doing a surgery vlog right after this. So if you are not subscribed to our channel already, this will be the perfect time to subscribe. Turn your post notifications so you don't miss any videos from me. And I will see you beauties once again very soon in another video. Bye!